Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
World Kindness Day. November 13, 2022. World Kindness Day is an international observance day. It was introduced in 1998 by the World Kindness Movement, a coalition of nations of kindness. You know this? Kindness Day is observed in many countries, including Canada, Australia, Nigeria and the United Arab Emirates. Singapore observed the day for the first time in 2009. Kindness Day was born when a collection of humanitarian groups came together on November 13, 1997, and made a declaration of kindness. Kindness Day is a global day that promotes the importance of being kind to each other, to yourself, and to the world. The purpose of this day is to be kind. World Kindness Day is celebrated annually on November 13. On this day, participants attempt to make the world a better place by celebrating and promoting good. The theme for the 2020 World Kindness Day was, "The world we make inspire kindness." Here are 12 acts of kindness. 1. Stop to lend a hand. 2. Spread some beauty. 3. Double dinner. 4. Send kind greetings. 5. Let a stranger go in front of you in line. 6. Send a kind note to someone. 7. Clean up. 8. Pay someone bills. 9. Subscribe to Careface CVP. 10. Comment. 11. Share. 12. Like this video. You can also make your own acts of kindness as a person or as a family. Let us know if you know about this day and what you did for someone, anyone. Happy World Kindness Day. November 13, 2022. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.